The belief in the evil eye suggests that an envious person can inadvertently cause harm to another, often manifesting through physical symptoms like weakness or upset stomach, particularly in children. Various methods are employed across cultures to diagnose and alleviate the effects of the evil eye. These include the charcoal method, where a piece sinks in water, indicating a problem; the wax method, where hot wax is dripped into holy water; and the oil method, which involves observing how oil behaves in water. Other practices include passing an egg over a child's body using protective gestures or amulets, and employing healers for rituals. Additionally, protective items like pink coral bracelets, red strings, or eye charms can be worn, and certain folk remedies, such as scattering salt or using mirrors, are believed to reflect negative energy.